Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. We are going to make the fingerprint sensor test, and the sensor is located on the right edge. So let's make a few tries. Let's see how it performs. You can simply tap on the button, you don't have to press it. You can also slide just like that. It will also work from the bottom or from the down. So as you can see, the sensor is really fast in this phone and it recognizes my finger every time. So right now we can say that this sensor is reliable. So as you can see, that's all. I think that this sensor is really good, it's fast and it's reliable, so I can recommend you to use this unlock method on the Samsung Galaxy F22. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.